Headline Death Perspective with Gary reports.
Now, the Absa Bank Kenya has confirmed the appointment of seasoned lawyer and governance expert Senior Counsel Mohamed Nyaoga as new chairman of its board of directors. He takes over from Charles Mushene, who retired after completing his 9-year tenure. Nyaoga officially assumes office on October 1st, 2025, marking a new chapter for Absa Kenya at a time when the bank is undergoing leadership changes and restructuring to strengthen its Pan-African growth strategy. The distinguished lawyer brings over 4 decades of experience in legal practice, corporate governance and financial regulation. He is a senior partner at Mohamed Muigai LLP and is widely recognized for his expertise in civil and commercial litigation. Previously, Nyaoga served as the chairperson of the Central Bank of Kenya's board, where he oversaw crucial reforms in the country's financial sector until 2023. He also held leadership roles at Ecobank Kenya, the African Development Bank Appeals Panel, and the International Monetary Fund's External Experts Panel. For his service to the nation, he has been decorated with the Elder of Order of the Burning Spear, one of the Kenya's highest state honors. According to Absa Bank, Nyaoga's appointment is expected to strengthen the board's capacity in regulatory compliance, corporate governance and risk oversight while ensuring the bank continues delivering value to its customers and shareholders. The announcement comes just months after Abdi Mohamed took over as Absa Kenya's managing director and CEO, signalizing a fresh leadership era aimed at driving customer-centric banking and sustainable growth. As Mohamed Nyaoga takes over the chairmanship, industry observers say his wealth of experience will be critical in guiding Absa Bank Kenya through an increasingly competitive and regulated financial environment. Brian Ouma, Gary reports.